Hi everyone, I'm Uncle Lee, and if the hair tells you anything, it's time for breakfast. Let's begin. Alright, so we got a cutting board. Well, I'm going to get a potato. Beautiful, isn't it? Get a knife. And I am going to do that. And actually, hold on. Let's try to keep it together, shall we? Okay. And like that. I'm going to take this, rinse it off. Grab a plate. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to take these. I'll come over to the sink. Wash that off. Mix them around. Get some of the starch out. Clean it up a little. Okay. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take some oil. About that much. About that much. And I am going to turn you on. Let that get hot. The pan coated with oil. Potatoes. Okay. Potatoes in here. Now you can cut them any size you want. I cut them like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover that up. Now I'm going to let that go. In fact, I'm going to turn that up. This burner. Alright, so now come back over here. Okay. I got an onion. Now I only want one sliver. I'm not looking to chop up the whole thing. I just want that amount right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that. Onions are good for a few days if you've got a decent fridge. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I'm going to take this. Get the skin off. Go ahead and toss the remnants, and then chop it up like that, and do the same. Got a little bit of a remnant there. Okay, so I got some onions here. I want to put things away as you work. It helps. It helps a little. Okay, I've got an egg, and that's all I'm going to use because I'm not in the mood, or I'm not in the state of mind to cook a huge breakfast. I want something simple, something quick, something easy. So, let's go ahead and move that to the side. I got some ham here. How much ham do I want? Well, I don't want too much, just enough. So let's go ahead and the reason why I'm doing potatoes first, because potatoes take longer. Then I went to the onion, because the onion's going to go in with the ham. And then I'm cooking the ham, because meat should always be done last, in terms of cutting and prepping, because meat usually doesn't take too long to cook. Most meats, depending on how big or how much, usually take about 5-7 minutes tops, and since this is already cooked, this will take no time at all to heat up and get going. And I'm just making a simple breakfast. I'm not trying to Gordon Ramsay myself right now. This is a simple breakfast, simple morning. It's going to work out great. So we've got our onions that I'm going to go ahead and toss in the pan, like so. We're going to come back over here. And where am I going to stick this? Well, I'm going to stick that right here. I am going to put some oil in the pan. Not too much. Just enough. And let's see. Yep. I need to do about that temp. We're doing on the potatoes. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and potatoes like to stick to the pan from time to time. There you go. Give it a nice stir. Put potatoes to the bottom. Now, the reason I'm covering is to keep the heat in and it cooks faster. So, it's breakfast. And again, you want to keep stirring. Potatoes like to stick to a pan if the pan's been a little beat down. I'm going to bring some more coffee. And let's see what we got here. Don't need a whole lot. It's breakfast. Now, if you're a bodybuilder or a weightlifter or somebody who just, you you probably want to eat a lot more, but you got a gut, so I'm not going to. I don't need to eat that much. Alright, so now what we need to do this. I'm going to do this all right here. We're done with the cutting board, so we're good. Put that there, that right there. Egg, cup, fork. Remember, keep stirring. This one, like I said, with potatoes, it usually takes about 10 minutes. Potatoes usually take about 10 minutes to cook. That's part of the reason why I cover it with this. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this. I'm going to toss this. And take the fork. I need better lighting. But it's nice and mixed. Alright, so we got our egg. You know that burner's not working very fast, so I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to come over here. This burner works really good. You work with what you got, folks. You work with what you got. Now again, it takes time to cook. It takes time to cook. So be patient. Find things to do, you know. Sometimes, you know, got a clean job you need to do, you got some dishes you need to do. I mean, whatever you got, go ahead and do it. Excuse me. See? Almost instantaneous. Almost instantaneous. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my ham in. Mix her up a little bit. Now it's time to season. So I got a little bit of salt. Not too much. A little black pepper. And a little bit of cayenne. A little bit of cayenne. Mix that up a little. Now we're ready for the egg. Mix up a little bit. burner is off. Don't need to worry about that anymore. Back over here on our potatoes. How are we looking? Oh yeah. Now, might as well season these up too while I'm at it. We're gonna go with the Himalayan salt. Gonna go with the cayenne. A little bit of turmeric. And some chipotle. Give it a nice flavor. Alright, so like that. And we're good. We are golden. Now, as far as what we're going to do with the plate, I'm going to come over here, put that on. Now, what am I doing there? Well, I'm using the heat from the stove to get my plate nice and warm. So, and it's heating this to make the plate warmer so your food doesn't get cold. So I put some cheese on my potatoes and on my eggs. I got my fork. It's time to eat. Okay, folks, just got done cooking breakfast. Here's my plate. And right here, yeah, it's a little warm, but you know what? It works. It works. Perfect potatoes. Perfect potatoes. Let's try the eggs real quick. The onions are done. The ham's nice. A little peppery. Works perfectly. It's hot. Breakfast, folks. Have fun and enjoy. Cook your own. Peace.